All right, this is number 13 for the French horns. First thing we do is clap and count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now we gotta say our letter names. If you're looking at number 13, you're gonna notice that it's all pretty much stepwise in the beginning, meaning we're just going up one alphabet letter at a time. C, D, E, F, G. Then we drop down to the E. E, F, E, D, C. And here's where we jump. C, E, C. And the nice thing is, if you've been doing your warm-up, low, middle, high, you've already been practicing that low, middle, low. So we did our clapping and counting. Now let's say all the letters while we do our fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. C, D, E, F, G, 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 rest. E, F, E, D, C, E, C. Now I'm going to think about, what is my face doing? What is my buzz doing? Low, higher, middle, higher, G, 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 which is high, middle, higher, middle, lower, low, middle, low. If you're using solfege, do, re, mi, fa, sol, 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 mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, do. Now let's buzz it. 1, 2, ready. Now this is a very important one to buzz. I just buzzed it there. Stop, rewind, stop, rewind. Buzz it a bunch of times so you can get really confident on it. Now, warm up first. Low, middle, high, middle, low. And the first couple times I played my low, I didn't like the sound, so I waited. I did it again until it was settled in. With French horn, you want to find your sweet spot first. I went too low. And to review, low is C. Low, middle, high, middle, low. C, E, G, E, C. Now, the second warm-up is C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Ready, go. And that's our bell. All right, after we've done our warm-up, we're gonna get started. C is here, find your C first. 1, 2, ready. Now, that transition from the G in measure 2 to the E in measure 3 is going to take a little bit of practice. But if you keep doing our warm-up at the beginning, C, E, G, E, C, it'll help you when you play these pieces. Those 2 warm-ups that we do before every line are so important to do every single time. Now, let's play it again. Watch out for that last one. Low, middle, low, C, E, C. All right, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready. have fun.